4-3-3. That front three very dynamically in the Leon through the middle, and Matthews and Litlak.
Can they keep alive those hopes?
Again, Mokoena as well as Santos, and then the speedy Potsani on deep and trying to pick up play there for Siwelele this evening.
Superior to that of Sundowns. Pirates plus 41, Sundowns plus 34. There is a crucial. If they don't win this one, Sundowns, well, they can kiss that championship goodbye. Morbi, who usually plays at right back, but has been in that centre-back position for a while now. Potsane driving his way through. What a superb guns to force an opening. Here's Mokoena. He's going to go long range. Brings out the best in Ricardo Goss, who's also hoping to be in the World Cup squad, of course.
You just mentioned big guns, and that is one of them. Found space there. So Siwelele is going to have to do better. You cannot give Chawoko Mokoena that amount.
The de facto set-piece taker gets a bit of height on that one to the back post. Kakana's there. Clearance away from Morbi. What a strike from Mokoena! On the full volley, just turned the foot around, and in the 7th minute, he has made the breakthrough. And that will settle the nerves here at Atteridgeville.
He expected it to end up in the back of the net. When that man finds it at the edge of the box. It's brilliant.
Now teasing down that right-hand side. There's Santos with a cross and a header and another goal. It's Tashrik Matthews. A double blow from Mamelodi Sundowns early on. And you wonder now whether they're not thinking about goal difference.
What a brilliant goal there from Sundowns. What a team goal, a bit of individual brilliance down the flank. And it's Matthews tucked inside off the left with the headed goal.
Finds Santos, time to turn. Here's the cross. Letlaku, that's number 3. Woo. No, flags up for offside. That's not going to count. Mr. Janshik Lamini is the linesman on the far side. Did he get this move up north? Mistake there. Now, that will be just outside the box. But it was Letlaku and Santos with a little misunderstanding. This is going to be the opportunity. Curls it! Well wide. Nice and high tonight. Here he is with a pass from Santos. Good ball for Leon. Is this number 3? Yes, it is. Now, would that have been an own goal, or would you give it to Brian Leon? It might have crossed the line before Nico Morbi got there.
I think for Sundowns right now, it doesn't matter. They get their 3rd, and they're looking for more.
Well, there is a bit of a shellacking now in these early stages here, and fairly simply done by Aubrey Modiba down this left-hand side. Had a look up. There's the delivery. Great run from the striker.
Yeah, I think that's going to go down as an own goal.
Now a bit of pressure, and Damani is caught. Jeza, square ball. They right back in it. Defensive error, and Siwelele have pulled one back with Kampani Lungu scoring for a 2nd successive game. Damane is responsible.
You said it, Mark. Can't count them out. Just a lapse of concentration here from Damane. A little bit casual there. Credit to Jeza. Applied the pressure. Lovely weighted pass in.
Nicely weighted from Santos. Square ball here, number 4. All too easy, Mamelodi Sundowns. Leon, unselfish, gives Tashrik Matthews his 2nd of the night.
And the vision of Nuno Santos to open up that defense as he gets his 2nd of the evening there, Matthews.
5 goals, and we are still 10 minutes away from half-time. Bring it on. Make it 5 before the break. Pushing forward. There is a chance at number 5. Whew. Stuck away by Leon. to that goal difference with Orlando Pirates. This championship chase is suddenly coming alive again here at Actionsville.
Well, Mark, I tell you what, it's all smiles from Zwane. 2 thumbs up. Brilliant.
Had before the start of the game against Orlando Pirates. Obviously, Sundowns are going to be careful because these counters will produce opportunities, and that should have been a goal for Lozi. Should have stuck that in the back of the net. Poor effort from the right back.
Yeah, once again exploiting the space in behind the defence. A delightful ball there to the near post. And
stolen away. He has a chance for Lungu. Can he get his second of the game? The answer is yes. Siwelele reduced the deficit. Lungu's now got 3 goals in his last 2 matches. There are always going to be possibilities on the counter for Siwelele, and they've proven that here again.
That was untidy.
Downs with Letlaku back into the middle. Header from Matthews. Save on the line. Santos keeps it alive. Goal! Brian Leon gets his second. 6-2. Well, they said it's going to be storming all over the country this weekend. It's raining goals here tonight.
It's certainly raining in Archwell. An immediate response from Mamelodi Sundowns. Lukaku kept it alive. It was a powerful header from Matthews. And Santos with a ding to the far post.
Because the Champions League final is only 8 days away as well. Here's Marchaman on the counter. Good defensive work.
Did he hurt himself?
I think he might have. Yeah. That is looks in for Santos. Back again to Modiba. Tight angle. Shot punched away. Letlaku returns the ball, and Gosman left. Ball through the middle for Leon. Up against Nico Mobi. Is he going to take him on 1-for-1? Still Leon. Leon! Save Goss! That's going to go away for a throw-in. To Modiba, nice little touch. Ball inside here for Allende! That's surely a goal. Now it is. Cracked into the back of the net. And Leon has the hat-trick. 7 of the best from Mamelodi Sundowns. I wonder if that effort from Allende went over the line, but there's no doubt about the finish from Leon.
What a strike. It is smiles all over.
Still Mudau. There's Letlaku to his right. Finds him. He was offside.
Yeah, Mudau took too long to release Letlaku.
Straight through the middle. Leon plays it wide. Can Matthews get a hat-trick? Into Santos. Leon again! No hat-trick for him tonight. 2-goal contribution. Artur Sales. Good work through the middle. Here's a chance for Siwelele to bring it back, and they do! Another one. Williams beaten at the near post. 10 goals now in this game. Well, Willem Jackson was a defender in his day, and he's got a big smile. Now offside over on that far side against Ipolozi. His job. Kulise will come in as well. So the juniors have done the job. Can the seniors do it still? Siwelele with a chance. Good save. Away from home against the Galaxy side, who have made sure that they won't finish last in the league table. He has another chance. Wide. Chance here. Offside against Reyners.
Yeah, chose the wrong option. Reyners down the middle.
Pass from Tsabaleng.
And Modiba was on.
Good ball inside. Is that a penalty? Flags up. Yes, it is. Mr. Gaza has no doubt, and it'll be handed to Lungu, I think, so he can get the hat-trick. And was it the other Lunga who gave it away in the Club World Cup at the beginning of the year? Lungu against Williams, hat-trick. Siwelele with 4. 10 minutes to go. 11 goals in this game.
We said it, they will not give up. Added another 2. And what a penalty that was from hat-trick man Lungu.
League game. Williams punches.